Hello my friends and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to learn some English vocab related to pottery. So let's do it. Okay, so I'm getting ready. I have to wear the apron. So they had to slam the square to get into a bowl. I missed that because I am always late. Now we have to shape it by hand. We have different ways of shaping. We can shape by hand, we can shape by tools, and this is an example of a tool that I just broke. Spinning table. Are we going to use the spinning table or we're not? I have to go take the instructions to understand what's happening. So we are basically making a mug out of this clay, yeah? And now I'm gonna start shaping it. The first thing I have to put my thumb in with water, right? I have to like put water. I'm gonna mess everything up. Okay, this is really hard. I didn't expect it to be this hard. Obviously, I have to cut my fingernail because it's not helping, so I need to cut it. Okay, cutting my fingernail with a nail clipper. Each other's a lot. Why? Why do you bully each other? Don't bully each other.
She can't say nice words. Yeah, I'm
a nice person.
You know, it's like some people, like, I don't know who told me that. I think my brother. He's like, we share the love by like by bullying each other, exactly, or saying exactly. The love language is like saying bad things to each other. It's not good things. Like, what is that? Pinch. Like this.
Like she's saying anything useful.
When you're mad at your sister, you go pinch.
You pinch your sister, exactly. So Asha will go and pinch her sister.
Mine is like perfection, as you can see.
Look at mine.
I have an artist, engineer like fingers that do this work. See?
Allah, splendid.
If you want any help, just ask me.
Just tell Sundus about it.
Another word for amusing.
Amusing and like entertaining.
Yeah. Okay. We got the word.
I was just thinking about something else. Entertaining, amusing. I always say splendid, but splendid can be like wonderful, amazing. Not necessary. I mean,
Basic form is fun, but I don't like it as fun.
Why?
Because I use it too much, like for other things. So.
enjoyable.
Yeah, enjoyable. Okay.
Yeah, you can also say
This
that.
is enjoyable. You should try this.
She's saying it's enjoyable. So we have to add water, a little bit of water, to just make my fingers a little wet to continue the process of pinching and rolling and pushing down. And I feel like I'm gonna stay here for the next 2 hours to finish. Here is my Yasser's cup in progress. Okay, the potter is telling me that I suck, and mine is very bad.
هستعطيش والله it can be fixed.
We can just like, I stole her place. Oh, and this is on too. Okay, here we go. A new tool. A carving like a carve is like nahed. To carve.
I'm so happy.
Yeah, like because
you should know.
yeah, carve. To carve something, we use it for wood carving, and clay also. Like when you carve, like مثلا أنا, I want to do my name. It's gonna be carved inside. Yeah. She told me now mine is almost ready. I have to make sure that the surface is even. So even is like mustawi. And now I'm moving to the next step, which is decorating and coloring and painting. So let's go to it. So step number 2, decorating and painting. Nice, and we have numbers. I like numbers and letters. You have the letters on. We are in stage number 2. We are going to do the decoration. We have cutters like this. So you have a cutter. This is a cutter. This is a cutter. And you have a pattern if you want. You can use the pattern. And for me, I'm gonna do carving. I'm gonna carve the name. So yeah. So you have this, the letter, but you just like do this on the clay. So you just like press it like this to get the shape of the S.
Want to add a clay in your cup or like the shape that you did, like here Asma did a flower. Okay, no, I'm not gonna ruin it. So you need to make it like what can we say that?
Make the surface rough.
Yeah, the surface should be rough. And then you add a little bit of this. Wait. Okay. Slip.
A slip.
Slip. Okay, so we have the slip.
So the glue.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like chemical things. It's called slip with clay, and then
you stick it.
You stick it, and Okay, here. Can you? Where?
لك يمين
On.
يا خططيها مكمل عليك.
Okay, so you put it carefully and like stuck it, okay? And it has, okay, yeah. Put too much of the slip. Don't be stingy.
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 Yeah.
Yeah. See?
So be generous with the slip.
So generous, okay? And then,
Oh, nice. Yeah.
see?
I'm
Nice.
doing this. I stopped the carving because it's not working. And and I'm gonna do this to my letters. Yes, so I just added a handle to my cup. Now it's coloring time. Where is the coloring? Look at this. Horrible? Amazing. Coloring time. So she's using this for us to try first.
I need
For me.
لا
Everything.
غيري.
I don't change though. No. Theme, no. Yeah, I do. Okay, pink. Pink colors. Okay, so we are in the last step, which is baking the clay. So the cup has to go into the clay oven, which is this, and it's called a kiln. Yes. Now the potter, the lady who helps us, basically puts a cover, a glaze cover, to make it become like glass, and then we bake it, or she bakes it. So she puts it in the kiln here and it gets baked. You will see the result later, not in this video, but here we go. Look at this, people. This is really, really pretty. You have like ceramics. These are ready already. Look, like it's glassy. It just needs a bit more decoration, like color. She needs to color and decorate, but it's very beautiful, right? And the potter is fixing mine. Look at the naughty people here. They are bullying each other. Just bullying each other, that's it. Just bullying each other. That's it.
You're the biggest.
I'm the biggest bully. I am not the biggest bully. Hello, Samahtu. All the love to you too. With my dirty hands. And look at like those here. They're very beautiful. All right, you guys, that's it for today's video. We are done finally after 3 hours. Unfortunately, I can't share the results now because it has to go in the kiln for 2 weeks. But hopefully I'll share the results on my Instagram. And if you like to see other teaching vlogs, check them out here. And see you in another video. Goodbye. So, we're leaving. How did you feel, people? Awesome.
الالرجي راحت بايد الكب.
Yes, all right. It was an awesome day. Yes. Bye.